Botocore S3 has issue hashing file due to encoding. I'm having trouble figuring out why the file, the contents of which are delete me later, which is loaded with encoding UTF-8 causes an exception in Botocore when it's being hashed. Producers. Della team could not put trace back, most recent core last file ./test_operator.py, line 41, in key equals, testing/a/put, file break time equals 1s// line 312, in _API_core return self_make_API_core, operation_name, cogs, file break time equals 1s// Line 193, in _calculate_md5_ from _file md5.update, chunk, type error, Unicode objects must be encoded before hashing. Now this can be avoided by opening the file with RB, but isn't the file object F clearly using an encoding?
Now this can be avoided by opening the file with RB, but isn't the file object F clearly using an encoding? The encoding specified to io.open in mode equals R is used to decode the content. So when you iterate F, the content has already been converted from bytes to str, text, by Python. To interface with Botocore directly, open your file with mode RB, and drop the encoding quark. There is no point to decode it to text when the first thing Botocore will have to do in order to transport the content is just encode back into bytes again.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.